Hi, everyone. Welcome back to IQ Test Hub. In this video we will learn 20 opposite words and get 5 seconds for each word. Are you ready? Let's begin. Opposite word of big is small. Opposite word of boy is girl. Opposite word of open is close. Opposite word of fast is slow. Opposite word of hot is cold. Opposite word of happy is sad. Opposite word of on is off. Opposite word of push is pull. Opposite word of right is left. Opposite word of full is empty. Opposite word of dry is wet. Opposite word of laugh is cry. Opposite word of sit is stand. Opposite word of healthy is sick. Opposite word of front is back. Opposite word of stop is go. Opposite word of sunny is cloudy. Opposite word of catch is throw. Opposite word of lazy is active. Opposite word of brave is afraid.